Like, if you want my take on this, if this actually has any chance of passing, it's probably going to be a very specific loan product, issued most likely by developers who could just bake it into the higher purchase price. It is going to be issued on a case-by-case basis, and it's going to require completely changing housing laws to enact mortgage protections on banks. Not to mention, it would need to be assumable by people who want to keep the house in the family, because otherwise you have people taking on 50-year loans just so their kids could keep paying off the loan, and then eventually the kids die and the grandkids hopefully inherit a paid-off house 100 years later. To me, all of this is just a bit of a gimmick. Like, it's fun to think about, it gets people talking a lot on Twitter, but mathematically, it makes no sense to take this over a 30-year mortgage, and there would have to be major hurdles to overcome just to get this out there in the market. Separate from that, I think, in terms of actually making a difference in the housing market, all we need to do is unlock more inventory, and to do that just requires really three things. First, increase the capital gains exclusion from $500,000 to $1 million for married couples, and then increase it every year with CPI. This will incentivize way more sellers to list their homes for sale. And that would have been the inflation-adjusted amount anyway from the $500,000 that was enacted back in the 1990s. Second, they should also allow you to take your existing mortgage with you and apply it to the next home, assuming you're trading up on a primary residence. And this would also unlock a lot of lower-priced inventory. And three, we should allow people to write off up to $1.5 million of mortgage interest, but only for new loans that are issued after 2026.